In this video, I explain to you what dialectic and synthesis mean. You will learn how these concepts are connected, and how they are used in different fields. Dialectic is a thought process where opposites are related to each other. It helps to recognize and understand contradictions. It assumes that the conflict between opposites leads to a new insight. This process is an important part of philosophy. Synthesis means bringing together different ideas or elements into a new whole. It often arises from dealing with opposites. In dialectic, synthesis is seen as a solution to the contradiction. It represents a new perspective or a new understanding. Dialectic was developed by philosophers like Heraclitus and Socrates. They viewed contradictions as an essential force that enables change. In the 19th century, dialectic was further developed especially by Hegel and Marx. They saw dialectic as a principle that explains the development of society and history. The dialectical process consists of 3 steps: thesis, antithesis, and synthesis. First, there is a thesis, which represents a certain idea or position. Then follows the antithesis, which represents a contradiction or an opposition to the thesis. Finally, the contradiction leads to the synthesis, which forms a new truth or insight. In philosophy, dialectic is used to understand and solve complex problems. It is an important part of epistemology, which deals with the question of how knowledge arises. Philosophers like Hegel and Marx used dialectic to explain social changes. Through dialectic, it is shown that thinking and reality are in constant flux. In society, dialectic can help recognize contradictions between different social groups. It explains how these contradictions can lead to changes. Dialectical processes are also visible in political movements, when new ideas and demands meet existing structures. This way, social transformations can emerge. Synthesis plays a crucial role in the development of ideas and processes. It shows how new solutions can arise from the conflict between opposites. In many areas like science and politics, synthesis helps create innovative ideas. It makes it possible to combine the best from different perspectives. Dialectic is often understood as a form of criticism. It questions existing assumptions and challenges new ways of thinking. Through critical dialogue between different views, deeper insights can be gained. This critical process is central to the further development of ideas and theories. We also encounter dialectical processes repeatedly in everyday life. In discussions and conflicts, we often find opposites that must lead to a solution. Dialectic helps us recognize the different perspectives and arrive at a better understanding. It also plays a role in personal growth when we learn from experiences and develop ourselves further.